Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals, and in today's video we are looking at a token or a project that is going to pull the same kind of weight that Pi has pulled in recent times, and this particular project is called Rubi. All right, we're actually mining the Rubi token RBL. And in this particular video, I want to show you how to do the KYC, okay? Now, a lot of people have been asking series of questions. What is the difference between Rubi and Pi, okay? Now, for Pi, the major difference between these two is in the terms of their total supply. Pi's total supply is entering billions, while for this Rubi, the total supply is going to be 100 million. You can see from this halving here, you can see the growth scale. We are currently at 0.6. All right. And what it means is that the mining is going to end very soon. So what I want to show you is how you can do the KYC. Okay. Now you can see that I have already mined 113 Rubi tokens. And if you come to this part here, that is the wallet section, you will see that I have Rubi token RBL in my wallet already. Now I'm going to show you why this RBL is in my wallet, okay? Now, when you now go to this particular part here where we have the personal, all right? This personal, then this part is where you mine the RBL. This part is where you get the news. This is your wallet. And this is where you also do some other activity, right? Now, when you click on this personal, you can actually see that there's a user verification. So if I click on the user verification, you can see the eKYC. It says not verified, okay? So I'm going to click on the not verified. Now it says welcome to the Rubi KYC, okay? And there are a lot of informations here. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, for you to qualify for the KYC, you must have complete 30 days mining on the platform. It says complete ownership information over 30 days. Then you must have exploit at least 30 Rubi tokens, and you also receive an invitation for KYC. All right. Now let me show you something here. In this part here, look at this part. When you receive invitation for the KYC, you are going to receive a notification that shows you that you have been invited for KYC, okay? I've actually read all of the information, but you're going to see it in this particular part here, so take note of that, okay? So now, let's just go straight to the KYC process. So I'll just go to that part, I'll click on it, then I'll come to the user verification, then I'll click on the eKYC, take note, then I'll click on continue. Like I said earlier, you must have checked out all of these ones. Then I click on continue. Now it says agree on providing information. So I'm just going to scroll down and come to this part here. Make sure that you have read all of this, okay? It's very important that you read all of this information. So I'm going to click I have agreed, and I'm going to click on continue. Now there are 3 priority levels, okay? The first priority level is a priority 1, all right? Where if you spend 4 RBL, it will allow you to resubmit 5 times. It will put you in the queue for less than 4 hours, right? So that means if you make a reservation using 4 RBL, you can submit your KYC 5 times. That is if it is rejected, and they will respond to you in less than 4 hours, right? But if you choose the 3 RBL, all right, it allows for resubmission 3 times, and you'll be in the queue for 600 persons are going to be above you, and it is going to take about 24 hours before you get responded to. Then the last one, which is the 2 RBL, it only allows you to submit twice, okay? And you'll be in the queue. There are about 10,000 persons on the queue before you, and the result is going to come within 7 days, okay? Now, this RBL is very important, right? If you come to this part here where we have the wallets, you can see here, okay? Now, you discover that because you have not done KYC, you will not have any RBL in your wallet. It is only when you have done KYC, that is when the RBL that you have mined here, all right, can be migrated to your wallet. So because I have not done KYC, I had to reach out to some persons to send me RBL, all right, so that I will use to do my KYC. Then when I'm done, I will now be able to migrate and send back what they have given to me. Okay, so let's just rush and go back to this. Okay, so for RBL, I'm going to click make a reservation. All right, now you can see it says fee payments. Open your wallet and scan this QR to pay for RBL. You can ask your friends to help you pay this fee if your wallet balance is not enough. Okay, so already I have 4 RBL in my wallet, and it says press checkout to pay fee now, or press share QR code with a friend to help you pay. Okay, so I'm going to click on checkout because I already have it in my wallet. All right, now it says you will send 4 RBL. This is the destination address. This is my KYC account name, so I'm going to click on transfer. Okay, now I'm going to enter my PIN. All right, now this PIN, you make sure that you have actually created your wallet and save your passphrase. It's very important. If you have not created your wallet, you'll not be able to go through all of these processes. Okay, so create your wallet, save your passphrase, then also set your PIN. All right, so I'm going to click on done, and it is going to transfer. So you can see it says transfer successful. All right, so it says I've already paid, so I'm going to click on already paid. Okay, and it says amazing success, you have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. So I'm going to click on KYC now. All right, so it says why need KYC? Rubi is a community project based on consensus by reusers, so KYC is mandatory and will help Rubi ensure the following benefits. Okay, so you can read up when you want. So I'm going to click on continue. Now there are two. You can use your national ID or you can use your passport. Okay, so I'm going to use my passport, so I'm going to click on continue, and it says please prepare a national ID that matches the account owner information. Please provide clear, sharp, and correct images. So I'm going to click on OK. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to fill in my information. All right, all of the passport information here. I'm going to fill everything. Okay, then you click send. All right, I've filled all of the information and I have sent it. So you can see it says priority level 1 Q index. All right, I'm waiting for approval. Okay, so I'm going to be getting approval in less than 4 hours or max in 10 hours. Okay, so you can actually view your details to see what you submitted. All right, and that's basically how it is done. If the KYC is rejected, then you have to come back and do it again. So guys, quickly get your KYC done. If you have met all of the criteria or conditions, you want to get your KYC done as quick as possible. Okay, and trust me, this particular token is going to do really well. I'm very certain about that. All right, so that will be all for now, guys. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments or in the chats, and I'm going to respond to them. Okay, and if you need RBL token, that's if you have not started mining, if you use my link, I'm going to send RBL to you. But if you have already started mining, you might want to reach out to people in the comments and drop your addresses, and somebody's going to respond to you. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.